Example 3. A body of mass 2 kg initially at rest moves under the action of applied horizontal force of 7 Newton on a table with coefficient of kinetic friction is equivalent to 0.1. Calculate work done by the applied force in 10 seconds, work done by the frictional force in 10 seconds, work done by the net force on the body in 10 seconds, and change in kinetic energy in 10 seconds. So let us do this. So the body of mass 2 kg, which is initially at rest, placed on the rough horizontal surface, and coefficient of kinetic friction is given, which is 0.1, and initial velocity is 0, and a constant force F is applied, which is 7 Newton on it. So the body starts slide moving towards the right, therefore friction will try to act backward direction. So if applied force is acting greater than the frictional force, the body starts slide move in the forward direction with an acceleration A. This will be net acceleration. Now we need to calculate what is the work done by the applied force. For that, we need to know what is the displacement the body has traveled in 10 seconds. The first one, so the force that we apply minus frictional force will give mass times net acceleration. So the force that we applied will be 7 Newton minus the frictional force is equal to mu into n. So mu into n is equal to mass is 2 into net acceleration. So 7 minus mu is 0.1, n is nothing but every time weight is balanced by the normal reaction. So normal is always equivalent to weight in this case. So normal value is mg, so m is 2 into g is 9.8 is equal to 2 times net acceleration. So what we get here, 7 minus 0.1 into 2 into 9.8 divided by 2. So net acceleration will be equivalent to 2.52 meter per second square. So we got net acceleration. So let us calculate the displacement in 10 seconds. So what we'll get? Displacement is equal to ut plus half at square. Since initial velocity is 0, so 0 plus half a is 2.52 into time is 10 seconds. So 10 square, which is 100. So the net displacement after 10 seconds will be 126 meters. So we calculated displacement. Now we need to calculate what is the work done by the applied force in 10 seconds. Therefore, work done by the applied force is equal to applied force times displacement. Here force and displacement both are in the same direction, so theta will be 0. So it is positive work. So force is 7 and displacement is 126. Therefore, the work done by the applied force in 10 seconds will be 882 joules. Now option B. What is the work done by the frictional force in 10 seconds? So again, work done by the friction is equal to friction times displacement. So friction is acting backward direction and displacement is in the forward direction. So work done will be negative. So minus. So let us calculate friction here. So work done by the friction is equal to minus of friction is mu into mg. So mu is 0.1 and mg is 2 into 9.8 into displacement is 126. So what we get by simplifying, 0.1 into 9.8 into 2 into 126 will give us 247 joules, minus 247 joules. Why? Because the work done by the friction is always negative. So minus 247 joules. And option C, what is the net work done by the force on the body in 10 seconds? So net work done is equal to work done by the applied force plus work done by the frictional force, which is 882 joules minus 247 joules will give us the net work done, which is 635 joules. And option D, change in kinetic energy in 10 seconds. So according to work energy theorem, change in kinetic energy is equivalent to net work done. Therefore, so change in kinetic energy is equivalent to net work done is 635 joules.